In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Facebook Ads Manager language. Navigating through Facebook Ads Manager in a language you are most comfortable with can significantly enhance your user experience and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned advertiser looking to optimize your workflow or a newcomer aiming to make your learning curve less steep, adjusting the interface to your preferred language is a great start. Today I'll walk you through the steps to do just that in a manner that's easy to follow and understand. First things first, you need to access the Facebook Business Manager. This is the hub where you can oversee your Facebook ads pages and the people working on them. If you've never used it before, don't worry, it's quite straightforward to get to. Simply type the Facebook Business Manager URL into your web browser and you're halfway there. Upon reaching the Business Manager page, you'll encounter the Login with Facebook button. This is your cue to log into your account. Click on the button and you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook credentials. If you manage multiple ad accounts or pages, make sure you're logging into the account associated with the Ads Manager you intend to customize. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to venture into the settings where the magic happens. Look for the settings option. This portal is where you can tweak various aspects of your account, but today we're focusing squarely on language preferences. Within the settings menu, you'll notice an option labeled Language Settings. This is exactly where you need to be. The journey to this point has been quite intuitive, right? By clicking on Language Settings, you're a step closer to making the Ads Manager speak your language, quite literally. Now, the current language setting will likely be set to English US by default, or possibly whichever primary language was selected when the account was first set up. Here you will see English US, or your current default language displayed with an option to change it. Click on this to proceed to the next stage. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with a plethora of languages. Facebook does an excellent job of providing a wide array of languages to cater to its global audience. From widely spoken languages to those that are more region-specific, you're very likely to find your preferred language on this list. Take your time to scroll through the options and select the language that you are most comfortable with. After selecting your new language, the changes should take effect immediately, transforming the Facebook Ads Manager interface into the selected language. Voila, that's all there is to it. With your Ads Manager now in your preferred language, navigating through campaigns, analyzing data, and managing ads should feel more intuitive and less of a chore. A few parting tips to ensure you get the most out of this adjustment. Remember, the language setting you've changed applies to the Ads Manager and other Facebook business tools. If you work in a team, make sure to communicate this change, especially if multiple users access the same account. And if you ever need to switch back or try a different language, just follow the same steps. Switching the language of your Facebook Ads Manager is not just about the comfort of working in a familiar linguistic environment, it's also about making sure that every tool and feature is leveraged to its fullest potential by ensuring nothing gets lost in translation, literally. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to changing the Facebook Ads Manager language to better suit your needs. Whether you're looking to streamline your advertising efforts or simply making your digital workspace a little more you, this change is sure to contribute positively to your workflow. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital advertising tools. Happy advertising,